I'm R.S. Rajan. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I am a very great dreamer. Right from 1985, I have been into various ventures, general ventures up to 1995, but everywhere there was a failure only. Lost jewels, lost house. 1999, I was into a network marketing company without knowing what is networking, nothing. But one day, a training changed my life. And that training was taken by none other than our great Bali sir, who was a national sales manager in that company. From that day, my life started changing. But there in that company, I had the success, but I was not able to maintain the success. By 2009, when Siddharth came and met me, I was at the very, very low ebb of my life. I just wanted to continue my life. That was what my life was. That was the time when Siddharth came me, showed me the plan. And it was a very hard decision for me. Because on one side, I had a fool. What else you want to have in life, will you not repent? And there was another voice coming from great opportunities in our way. It is very difficult to take. So many things happened in between. And I remember this day, 4th September 2009, in front of our Bali sir and Siddharth, I signed Vestige application. And I thank God for having given me that wisdom to sign that application. Why? Because in just short span of 6 years, if you see, I am a engineering graduate with a post-graduation in management. I was working for a corporate and earning around an average of 1 lakh every month and per year 12 lakhs. Today in 6 years, I am earning per month 12 lakhs. And the days are not far off. Within few years, maybe my income will be per day 12 lakhs. And in this 6 years, I have bought 5 cars. A Mercedes, and again, I have enjoyed that Mercedes to a great extent. There is nobody in this country who would have traveled in a Mercedes Benz in 2.5 years, 1,25,000 kilometers. I traveled. And in this 6 years, I have gone on to 15 countries. And as I said, by 2020, I can very dare to say that there will not be a single country in this world which I would have not visited by 2020. That is what is Vestiges. Not only that, it is not only I am earning. Today in my team, there are more than 10,000 people earning from 1,000 rupees to 5 lakhs rupees every month. 70 to 75 people have purchased cars. So much things have happened. My dear friends, I like to remember you. Tomorrow, everybody is going to wake up. Yes or no? You're going to go to your bathroom, take your toothpaste, toothbrush. Yes or no? But when you touch the toothpaste or the toothbrush or the soap, please remember, but when you touch that, somebody who has not even touched it, who does not know the product, but if it is going to be Vestige soap or a Vestige paste, then my dear friends, your dream is going to come true. You are going to change many people's life in our world, and our country will be in the top of the world. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.